Hello, my name is Gloria Verdugo Flores. I'm 47 years old. I live in Alaurín de la Torre, Málaga. I'm married. I've studied a tourist higher technical qualification. I can speak Spanish, is my mother tongue, and English fluently. I have a B2 level. I've been 15 years working in a hotel of housekeep in Estival Hotel in Benalmádena, Málaga, and was a great and a successful experience for me. I would like to emphasize that I am a adaptable and efficient and a positive person who loves my work in a hotels. I have my driving license and my own car. I like to practice hiking, to travel in a motorway, a motorhome, and I love the sea. Go to the beach or practice sports like kayak, snorkel. And thank you very much for your attention, and I remain at your disposal.